This is Tom Compton with Industrial Shelving Systems, and we're here at Aero Charter Jet Center in St. Louis, Missouri. We're in their jet hangar where they routinely perform maintenance and service on a variety of planes. Let's go take a look at their maintenance department. Here in their maintenance department, as they continued to grow, they quickly ran out of room. They called Industrial Shelving Systems to see how they could gain more space. With their tall ceilings, it was a perfect application for a mezzanine. It nearly doubled their footprint without having to expand the building. And as you can see, these mezzanines are custom made to fit your exact footprint. Traditionally, you would have a column at each corner of the mezzanine. In this case, they had a compressor that could not be moved in one corner of the room. With the help of Wildeck's engineering team, this was no problem, and we were able to cantilever the beam to avoid the obstruction and still have the mezzanine fill the entire room. Each mezzanine supply comes with a pallet drop gate where you can move palletized material to the second level with a forklift. There are other safety gate options available, and we also offer vertical reciprocating conveyors where you can move material to the second level without the use of a forklift. We also added a record storage cage to the top of the mezzanine. This allowed a secured area for their records and freeing up the lower level for higher priority, faster moving items. If you're running out of space, call Industrial Shelving Systems and one of our experienced project managers will assist you with your project. Creating and maximizing space is what we do.